rear tow hook project on the RS4. While looking at installing this tow hook in the center of the bumper, so you can just pop this plastic out from the inside, just the clips in the, squeeze them and it will pop out. Then we did a little cutout here. This is a little piece that we cut out just between the retaining tabs so that the tow hook will fit just there. And we're gonna do 2 holes in the bumper beams and use M12 rivets here to hold the tow hook and bolt that in, and we'll be able to put the plastic housing back in and cover it up. So one little trick to be able to drill the holes and put the drill bit this way without to remove the whole bumper. If you just disconnect here the 2 pieces, you can pry the bumper enough out to squeeze your drill bit here. Okay, all is complete. We're going to install the rivets. Okay, so here I put the first one in. So now I'm going to drill the second hole. Okay, so here you have it. There's 2 bolts here and the fit in the bumper. And now I'm just gonna put this cover back on. And here now you can see we have a pretty clean fit. To finish the job, I just have to put my little clips here back on. Do that from the inside. Much easier to see what's going on. And the job is complete. Put the new mud flap, install the new tow hook,